Welcome to a demo of SciScore. The first thing you're going to do when you get into SciScore onto the SciScore webpage is go ahead and log in. And I'm going to log in with my ORCID, and I believe this will just go right through. Yes, so we saw ORCID be consulted there. Usually you'll have to click yes, that's okay. So testing now. We're going to title this particular submission. This is the submission page. We're going to add an author, and we're going to add the text of the methods section. This is something I copied before. And now I'm going to submit this to SciScore, and this will process anywhere between a few seconds to maybe a minute or two. And so here's testing for demo. Okay, this hasn't yet finished. Testing now. Here we go. And now we have this paper. We can download it. And when I download it, it downloads as a zip file. I'm going to go ahead and open that. There's an MDAR report here, a star table, and the main report. The main report we've described before. Now I'm just going to focus on MDAR. So this is the Materials Design Analysis Reporting Checklist for authors. This report is required for each submission to the journal Science. And it lists a set of items that are required here. So this is from the checklist, and this portion of the report is filled in by SciScore. So for antibodies, SciScore found one antibody, it was detected, and it says that 0 RRIDs are provided. It suggests to authors to please add identifiers for all resources where possible. No cell lines were detected by the tool. For experimental animals, it did not detect an experimental animal, but the report would be very similar to antibodies. And you can see again here on the left-hand side are the exact questions that the MDAR checklist asks for, and then the response of SciScore is here in this middle column. And the response is typically either the sentence that authors used, which was seen to fulfill a criterion, such as here the Institutional Review Board statement, which is actually filled in from the author's text here, or the words not detected if a particular criterion is not detected.